Almost everything popular culture taught you about Vikings is wrong. The real Norse people were traders, explorers, and lawmakers who reached North America 500 years before Columbus, and the truth is more impressive than the myth. As you delve into the history of the Viking Age, which began around 793 AD with the raid on the monastery at Lindisfarne, you will discover that the Vikings were skilled craftsmen, such as the 9th century Viking blacksmith, Gudmund, who created intricate metalwork, leaving you to wonder, what other secrets lie hidden behind the popular image of the Viking warrior. In the 8th century, the Frankish Empire, under the rule of Charlemagne, was expanding its borders, and the Vikings were taking advantage of the resulting trade opportunities, with the Viking trade network stretching from the Baltic Sea to the Mediterranean, as evidenced by the discovery of Arabic coins, such as the 9th century dirham, in Viking Age Scandinavia. The Vikings were also influenced by the Christianization of Europe, with the conversion of the Danish king, Harald Klak, in 826 AD, marking a significant turning point in the history of the region. As you explore the world of the Vikings, you will see that their society was complex and multifaceted, with a system of governance, such as the Thing, a parliamentary assembly, which was established in Iceland in 930 AD, and you might ask, how did this system of governance contribute to the Viking success? The Vikings established trade routes and cities across Europe, with the city of Hedeby, founded in 808 AD, becoming a major commercial center, and the Vikings also founded the city of Kiev, which became the capital of the Eastern Slavs, with the Viking prince, Oleg, ruling the city from 879 to 912 AD. The Vikings were skilled navigators, using the 12th century Icelandic manuscript, the Hawksbok, which contains a copy of the Viking compass, the Sunstone, to guide their voyages, and they reached North America, which they called Vinland, around 1000 AD, with the Viking explorer, Leif Erikson, establishing a settlement at L'Anse-aux Meadows, in present-day Canada. The Vikings also had a complex system of laws, with the 12th century Icelandic manuscript, the Gragas, containing a comprehensive code of laws, which included rights for women, such as the right to inherit property, and you might wonder, how did the Vikings' legal system influence the development of European law? The aftermath of the Viking Age saw the rise of new powers in Europe, with the Norman conquest of England in 1066 AD, led by William the Conqueror, who was of Viking descent, and the establishment of the Hanseatic League, a powerful trading federation, in 1158 AD, which dominated trade in the Baltic region for centuries. The Viking legacy can be seen in the modern languages, such as English, which has borrowed words from Old Norse, such as husband and fellow, and you might ask, how has the Viking legacy continued to shape our world today? As you reflect on the history of the Vikings, you will see that their story is one of complexity and nuance, challenging the popular image of the Viking warrior, and leaving you to ponder, what other misconceptions about history await correction, and how will our understanding of the past continue to evolve as new discoveries are made, such as the excavation of the Viking ship burial at Oseberg, which has provided a unique glimpse into the lives of the Viking elite.